Hey everyone. I'm tired. I cleaned the garage yesterday. The carpet guy's coming today, so we've been picking everything up off the floor, getting everything ready for him. So whatever you see all over the table, that's because we had to pick it up off the floor, and I have a very small apartment, so we have a lot of stuff in bins. So all right, so I'm doing the other side of the water sign. So last week I did these right here. So this week I'm going to do these. So I'm going to use that silver color on the lid, which is kind of more like a mauve. But I use this silver on my lid. It's got it from Avon. It was supposed to be like for an eyeliner, but I use it as a base. A lot of people are complaining that they don't like when all the colors are together like that, because I know that at some point all the colors is going to mix together. But I'm going to try and be careful here and pick up that silvery mauve color. See how that goes. Okay. These are so pigmented. I really love these. Love this collection. I usually take the inserts out of once I take pictures and everything. It's better, when you take the insert out, because you have so much more room. I have not done that with this one because I love it so much, the whole way they did it. Okay, let's take that beautiful blue. Okay, I'm putting it on the brush. It looks pretty pigmented. I didn't get a time to when the carpet cleaners are coming, so the video might end abruptly because I'll have to get out of the way. I've been getting some weird blisters on top of my toe. They said it could be mites because the rug, that's why I want the carpet cleaners to come. It could be spiders. I used to love spiders until I moved to this apartment. We get a lot of spiders and they like to bite. It's like, what the heck, dudes? I'm for you. Why are you guys biting us all the time? And their bites are nasty. My sister-in-law had a humongous welt that lasted for like a while, and I did too. It was so painful. I even have a scar. At first I was like, I thought, don't tell me I have bed bugs again. And I know this isn't funny and I shouldn't joke around like this, but it's like last time I was ready to throw myself over the balcony. It's exhausting when you have them, because it's like you're packing everything up and putting them in black bags, bringing them outside. It's exhausting. It's like you're moving all the furniture away from the wall, and in this small apartment that'd be the entire house, so that they can spray in the corners, because that's where they like to be. Oh my, that is like the worst. But, it was like 2 isolated instances. My daughter gets bit a lot too. They like to be in her room. I have no idea. Her room faces the outside, so I think I'm going to do a blue liner. I got all over my eyebrows. Okay. That's, I still have my Urban Decay Radium. Okay. So the blue, I expect it to be a little bit more intense, but I guess it's because I didn't put enough, so I might make that more intense. because I've seen other women use it and it's pretty intense. So let me just finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the Wet n Wild. This was a holiday set. It came with different colored liners. So this looks like uranium to me. Oh, radiums. It looks just like the Urban Decay radium. So I used that under my eyes. I put a little bit of silver in the inner corners. And I used the water highlighter written in the stars down my nose. And I don't know anything about signs. So I thought that this was for Cancer. I don't know nothing about these signs. And so I took I think I looked at, I have to look on the box to know. And this is actually the Pisces. So that's the lip gloss I put on. It's so pretty. It's pink with like teal sparkles. It's really beautiful. So that's what I did. Next week school starts and I may have to be out every day. So let's see what happens with that. So yeah, but school's gonna be much easier this year because it's only an hour and a half. But hopefully next week I'll be able to work on the next one. I don't know, maybe air. I really liked the air one. It was pretty. So yeah.